Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Wednesday, 23rd October 2024. And the topic wey dey before us na focus. Our memory verse dey for Proverbs chapter 4 verse 25 wey talk say, make you look straight and no bow your head because you dey shame. We go see our Bible reading for Colossians chapter 3 verse 1 to 3 and Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1 to 2. Colossians 3 verse 1 to 3 talk say, so if God raised una with Christ, then make una put una mind for things wey dey heaven, the place where Christ for sit down for God right side. Make una dey think about things for heaven, no be things for this earth, because una don die and una life dey safe with Christ for inside God. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1 to 2 say, since we get many weakness wey surround us, e good make we drop every load and sin wey dey make us fall, so that we go use our mind live the life wey God want. Make we dey look Jesus Christ wey give us our faith and go help us keep am. Because of the joy wey Jesus dey expect, he suffer for cross and no mind the shame wey follow am. But now, he don sit down for the right hand side for God throne. Now the message. For 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 10, Elijah be dey tell Elisha say, my pikin, wetin you ask hard well o, and I no fit give you. But God fit give you. No just dey distracted, remain focused. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1 to 2 talk say, make you drop every load, come face Jesus. Dey focused. Devil go try to put plenty load on you to take distract you, but you need to remain focused. People fit criticize you, lie against you, can't talk bad things about you, but you need to remain focused. So, some years ago, people dey criticize me for almost everywhere. I no even mind them at all. I remain focused on wetin God call me make I come do. By God's grace, I still dey mansion. But nobody know where some of the people wey be dey criticize me dey now. The load wey devil go try to use to make you lose focus no go only be for people wey hate you. Some of them go be from the people wey love you. Their praise, for example, fit be load wey you go need to drop, so you no go fit lose focus. E get one man wey be make one great king vex, and they suppose cut him head comot, but the king can't decide to test am. The king tell am make he carry water for spoon, make he come waka some distance. If the water drop at all, they go cut the man head comot. The king can't tell some people make them stand for the man left side, they criticize am, make them dey curse am, come dey east for him head. Then he ask some people make them stay for the man right hand side, make them dey praise am, dey hail am well until he reach the finish line. Na so the man start to dey waka o, and people for both in left and the right come dey do wetin the king ask them make them do with all their power. At last, the man reach the finish line, no water drop from the spoon. The king come ask am, which of these people make you win? He come answer the king, none of them o. I been carry my life for my hand, so I no go lis ten to any of them. My brethren, you dey carry your life for your hands, so no allow anybody make you lose focus. So the action wey we go take for this message be say, drop every load wey devil dey use to distract you. Come dey focused to take achieve God purpose for your life. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Fullness of God in endless faith, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he gave.